So this is English file intermediate video test 2. So first of all, I'd like you to give as much information as possible for each answer and make sure that your explanations are accurate. Good luck. So first of all, can you introduce yourself for me, please?
Hello, my name is Hoang. I'm 14 years old. I'm living in Hanoi, Vietnam. Now I live with 4 members of my family.
Okay. Can you tell me 3 things that you've recently been doing?
I have been playing football with my brother. I have been doing some study, repaying grade 9. I have been going on holiday with my family.
Where have you been going on holiday?
In Vietnam.
Okay. What have you been doing there? Have you just been visiting family, or have you just been having a good time? What have you been doing?
Swimming.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So here we've got transportation problems. So what I want you to do is I want you to talk about 2 problems that you face during peak traffic hours, and I want you to tell me what are the two ways that you would solve these problems.
The 2 problems I face during the traffic hour is air pollution and noise pollution, because many people in car and factory dump the waste into the air. If you want to solve this, I think people should travel by some public transport instead of we reduce the air, reduce the noise to the air.
Okay, so very good, well done. So that's reducing the traffic and the pollution. Well done. Okay. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at stereotypes that are there. So I want you to choose one of the stereotypes from the list. One from the male list and one from the female list. And I want you to tell me why or why not that you think that they are true. So this is the male one. Which one would you like to talk about?
Actual, number 2.
Okay.
Men are more interested in sport than women.
Okay, so what are your thoughts on that?
I think it's true because men are stronger than women, and when I sport, women still like sport, but I think it's not more, and men always play better than.
Okay. Just a counterpoint on that, in England we have something called the Women's Premier League. Have you ever heard of the Women's Premier League? Okay, so in the Women's Premier League, there's definitely a lot of women that do play professional football, and it's actually increasing in popularity. I used to play football. But they can definitely play football better than me. So I think it's good to keep an open mind on that. So let's have a look at the next one. Female stereotypes. Which one would you like to talk about there?
About
Number 2. Okay,
Apparent
go.
dancing.
Okay.
Because when you go out or to some workplace where women always care about their appearance, they do some makeup and look to the pretty police. For example, my mother, she always take for 30 minutes to make up, so and my brother usually upset.
Okay. Okay, so now we've got success and failure. So I want you to talk about a challenge that you've overcome, and I want you to tell me how you achieved it. Also, I'd like you to tell me something that you would say to someone if they wanted to learn the same thing. So what's the challenge that you overcame?
When I in the primary, I always shy when I stay in front of the crowd. When I go to state to take a class, I feel very shy and I don't want to see anyone. When to the secondary, I talked to my mother, and my mother gave me some some presentation at school, go to take some edition, so now I'm more confident.
Good.
Tips if you is don't should be shy and confident.
Okay. Okay, and the last one, we've got given advice. So I want you to choose one of these scenarios and give advice on either someone, taking someone out on a date or staying at someone's house. Which one would you like to choose?
I choose number one.
Okay, so what advice would you
If
give?
taking someone out on a date, you should pay for the meal because you invite them, and you should make sure all your manner is polite. You shouldn't delay it because it's very impolite and shouldn't be rude.
Okay, nice. Interesting stuff. Let me just make sure that's the last one. Yeah, so that's the end of the video test.